Hey folks, it's Jerry from York River Cannabis, and today we're going to go over some course corrections that we've done after our trip to Vermont. So first thing that we learned when we went to Vermont was we were doing our seedlings completely wrong. There's nothing wrong with vermiculite, however we had the wrong type of vermiculite. We had coarse ground. So I decided when I got back from Vermont that I was going to kind of do my own experiment with different soils on the sprouts and the seedlings. And so I've really decided to do 3 different soils. We've done Root Organic 707, cocoa and vermiculite mixture, and indoor potting soil with vermiculite mixture. And that's a 50-50. And the cocoa is a 70-30, 70 cocoa, 30% fine vermiculite. So I'll take a look. So we've got them here. There's some cocoa. There's some 50-50. And that's some 707. We've got a whole tray of cocoa over there and mixture of in. Now some of that has coarse vermiculite still. We're in the process of transplanting a lot of them. But when I went to Vermont, I learned quite a bit about the different soils and some of the things that I was doing wrong. And my guy up there really hooked me up. I'll take you inside to show you what he gave me, but I learned a lot. I learned that we were doing some things right and some things wrong. And there's a bowl of cocoa and vermiculite. So I'll take you inside and show you what I have and what I'm using. So we're inside, and these are a few things that I purchased and my friend in Vermont gave me. So this is the vermiculite we're using now, professional grade, and that makes a huge difference because it's not coarse ground. It's very fine. I'll show you some close up here. It's like sand. Okay, so that's the vermiculite. If you're going to use vermiculite, you have to use the fine ground stuff. Okay, this, even though it looks like American Clear, although probably shouldn't put it in these type of bottles if you have children, is Sensagrow Part AB. And this is my buddy in Vermont gave me a few bottles of this to try out. So go ahead and try it. It's better than Miracle Grow. I've only used a little bit so far, but he swears by the stuff. And then this, he had a bag of 707 over there. So we've been using some of that. We actually had 2 bags. We've already used 1 whole bag. And then here's the cocoa. Okay. And the other thing that my guy in Vermont gave me was his old light setup for seedlings. So nothing fancy. Looks more like an erector set. But right now we're running the seedlings on 18 hours of light to really kind of bring them back. We're a little behind right now in growing, so they can withstand about 18-19 hours of sunlight, and we're giving them that. You don't really want to give them 24 hours of sunlight. They can get light exhaustion, but that's what we're doing to catch up right now. So I thought I would share this video. We have a 5-part series coming out really soon, within the next couple days, of the road to becoming a hemp farmer. So the first part will be coming out soon. So yeah, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, if you want to see us daily, go on to Instagram and follow us at York River Cannabis. Thanks for watching.